Hello students, welcome to 9th standard maths class. Let us continue the chapter number 3, lines and angles. Let's prove the theorem. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Now what are the steps, children, to prove the theorem? Let's write the first step, that is given. So what is given? Let us write. So what is given, children? If two lines intersect each other, so two lines are given. So I am going to draw two lines, that is AB and CD. So I am naming that lines as AB and CD, and these are going to meet or intersect at O. So AB and CD intersect at O. So this is given data. Next step, that is to prove. So what is to be proved? Let us write. To prove. What is given in the statement? Let us see now. They intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So let us write those vertically opposite angles. Now you can see here angle AOC and BOD are vertically opposite angles. We have to prove these are equal. Similarly, another set of vertically opposite angles, that is angle BOC and angle AOD are equal. We are going to write, we are going to prove that now. So let us write AOC is equal to angle BOD. Similarly, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Next step, that is proof. Here we don't need any construction. So I am going to write the proof. Now proof, always it has two things, that is statement and reason. So what is the statement? Whatever you give, every time you have to write the reason. So let us write now. Now look at the figure. OA ray stands on, that is on CD. OA ray stands on CD. So I am going to say now AOC angle and angle AOD. These two angles, if you add up, how much it is? That is 180 degree. What is the reason? That is linear pair. So I am writing here angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. Linear pair. That means if they add up, it is equal to 180 degree. This I am naming as equation 1. Similarly, now I am going to say OD ray stands on AB. So you can see here two angles, angle AOD and angle BOD adds up to 180 degree. Once again, the reason is linear pair. So I am going to write here AOD plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. I am naming as equation 2. Again the reason is linear pair. Now what we can get from equation 1 and 2? Let us see. From equation 1 and 2, what we can get? That is AOC plus AOD is equal to 180 degree. AOD plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. So right hand sides are same. So left hand sides are also same. We are using here axiom. So AOC plus AOD is equal to AOD plus BOD. Now, what are the common things here? Angle AOD and AOD I am going to cancel. That is, equals are subtracted from equals. The remainders are equal. Which is this axiom? Do you remember? That is axiom 3. Therefore, AOC angle is equal to angle BOD. So, we have proved here. To prove AOC is equal to BOD, we have proved here. Similarly, you can prove AOD is also equal to BOC. So, two set of vertically opposite angles are equal. So, I am going to write here only. Similarly, angle AOD is also equal to angle BOC. Hence, it is proved. Let us work out one problem based on the theorem. PQ and RS are two lines intersect at O. If angle POR is to angle ROQ is equal to 5:7, find all the angles. Let us find the solution. So it is given here POR angle is to ROQ is equal to 5:7. Now both are in the ratio. If you add up this, what is the total? 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Isn't it? 5 plus 12 is 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Similarly, on the left hand side, POR and ROQ. If you add up, what is the angle here? That is a straight line, linear pair, that is 180 degree. So, now we have to find what is the part of POR as well as ROQ out of 180 degree. Now, this is out of 12. So, how to find this? So, I will write here angle POR is equal to, the total is 12. So, this is how much? This is 5 parts out of 12. 5 parts out of 12 and the total is again 180 degree. So, last year we have done this. Let us simplify now. Now, 180 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So, I am going to write here 12 ones are. How many here? How many? That is 18 minus 12, 6. 60. 12, how much is 60? That is 12. 5 is 60. 5 into 15, that is equal to 75. Now, how to measure angle? That is in degree. So, angle POR is equal to 75 degree. Similarly, now I will find angle ROQ. Now, ROQ is, that is 7 parts, 7 out of 12 into 180 degree. Again, we will simplify. 12 ones are 12. We have done here 15s are 7 into 15. 7 15s are, that is 105 degree. This is again, if you add up, you can see here it is 180 degree. Now, we have to find all the angles. Now, we have found POR and ROQ. Now, let us write POS and QOS. Angle POS is equal to, angle POS is equal to angle ROQ. I am going to write as ROQ. Why? Why it is equal? Because vertically opposite angles. So, POS angle is equal to ROQ. ROQ is equal to 105 degree. We have found this. Now, the one more, that is POR is equal to QOS. POR is equal to QOS. QOS. Why it is equal? Once again it is vertically opposite angles are equal. We have proved this theorem. So I am going to write QOS is equal to how much? That is 75 degree. Like this we have found all the angles. Home assignment. Prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Stay safe.